Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. The battleground is on because admit card is launched. So 20th of March, your batchmates will write the TCS NQT exam by going on TCS Ion Centers. And please follow this video so that you will not repeat these mistakes which your peers do, and you will use these tips to crack your NQT exam. And in the worst case, let's say you are not able to understand the programming logic, how you can get prime and digital easily by passing some test cases. Okay, I will let you know which is tried and tested, and these mistakes please don't repeat in your upcoming TCS NQT exam. Okay, so now let's begin. On today 5:30 p.m. I received TCS NQT mail from a candidate who got admit card download mail. Yes, March 20th of 2025 he got the slot. I will tell you what kind of slot it is, how well you need to attempt the test, everything here. So he got the mail, he right away forwarded me. So I thought of telling you all of the stuff. Now slot is on. You need to have a specific resource to practice. This is the student who gave his test in the one of the horrible TCS NQT ship, which is TCS NQT 15th of March ship 2. And yes, this was his full experience which I covered in the video. Okay, the video link would be in I button. Please watch if you are missing, because that video is important, covered most asked topic as well and much more stocks. So yes, he also spoke. Your sheets and packaged helped me a lot. Your analysis, especially for reasoning, was on point. Okay, now on huge factor was your sheet. I practiced them so much that this section was a cakewalk. We always create a sheet which will help you out. The topics which are mostly asked in TCS NQT, the pattern which TCS NQT follows, we replicate that so that you can practice for your upcoming TCS NQT examination. Okay, so yes, this is the two sheet. One is for free, like you can see, plus 3 element R3, because these kind of stuffs was made by me. The questions of programming, the questions on aptitude, the questions of important topics, everything. This is all PYQs are included, as well as the question which is revolving around it, which you can expect in your NQT exam, is also covered right away in this free notes. You can redeem this by going into the comment section and pin the link. You can just redeem it right away. But let's say if you want to have mock test, which this candidate also took, this is on point, and this was created with the candidate who cracked TCS NQT, as well as they are good champ in aptitude. We sat together. It took more than 48 hours to build this particular mock test. It has 2 mock tests having all of these 65 questions plus 2 programming questions, that if you are able to do it, no one can stop you to ace your NQT exam if compiler and the day is lucky for you. Okay, so you can apply Aditya20 coupon code, but the catch is to redeem this Aditya20 coupon code or to use this code, please use the link which is provided in the description. If you go with the comment section pinned link, you won't be able to apply this link right away. Okay, so I hope I am very clear with this, and this is the best resource which is available on the internet for free, as well as most on very cheap rates are provided, so that if you invest something, you will value that thing. Okay, that's why a cheap cost has been given. Now TCS NQT or India 2025 admit card has been launched, and this guy need to appear in Udupi, Karnataka for giving his test. You can see 20th of March 2025 and 12:30, 1:30 and 2 to 5:10, which is shift 2 is given to him. Now you just need to paste your photograph after taking this print and sign it here and go straight away in your examination. Very clear. But the main agenda of the video is tips which you need to follow. Let me talk about one by one. Tips, input and knowledge of input. Why I tell you is because in the question there would be multiple kind of inputs. It can be line by line, which is most generic and easy way to take it. But it can be multiple kind of input was there in the single line. Yes, you heard it right. Please go and watch the TCS NQT all shift. The playlists are linked in I button, or you can check in the description. Okay, the inputs were very horrible, so you should know, you should prepare for every worst case. Okay, because as you can see here, this candidate also, he studied from our input video and he was able to code it up very easily. Okay, so yes, you should have patience, because there it is 100% that if you are like, if your luck is not favoring you, you will get definitely multiple kind of errors, because their compiler doesn't have autocomplete thing. Okay, so if you write wrong and run it, you will get tons of errors. So please try to be attentive, try to be patient. Okay, you got error, try to rectify questions right away. Okay, but I will recommend you to manage your time. Sometimes the hard question was there as a question 1 and easy question is there in the question 2. Now you need to utilize your time accordingly. Just use the trick. If you're not able to follow the logic, I will let you know the trick in the last. Please don't skip a single bit of this video. Read it question properly. Why I am specifically mentioning this point is because before going to it, any doubts, do share your NQT experience or any doubts you have on this particular mail. Because if you can share, then only I can help your next peers as well as your juniors. This video will be there for them where they can prepare for their upcoming NQT shifts. I know tons of people will watch this and 1% people will respond to this particular mail and I am waiting for them. I will definitely give shout out to them if they allow me. Okay. So please share it. Be a helping nature. Give your helping hand. I will hold it up and will help together to this community. Okay. So now mistakes which most of the people did. Silly mistakes, which is sometimes comments is written in a very simple manner, but few people are messing with the comment. Why? Because most of the people do read the question properly, but few people do their themselves. What I mean is, question said to print this comment, some people print this comment. Okay, so you need to be very specific what question is asking you to print it. Now the recent shift 1 experience, candidate was facing that there were 2 spaces instead of having 1 space between the 2 words. So go near to your screen and recognize how many spaces are there. Okay, because if your letter, if you write the letter as capital L and in the input format or in the question they told you to use the smaller letter, you will get errors or your test cases will not be passed. So you need to look over this and shift 1. Please watch this shift 1 solution if you have not. The link would be in I button or in the description. Please don't miss this recent question answers. Otherwise, it would be a tragic for you because concept do repeat. Okay, concept do repeat. Now, comments in questions, which means if there are type of comment question, print invalid, print your answer like this, print array like this, you need to focus there. They will be writing input format properly. You need to read it. But if it is not there, try to analyze from test case. Okay, it may be your logic is full correctly, but you are missing in printing it, how to print it, whether it is printed line by line or whether it to be printed in a single line, whether I should write something when I print. So read question 1 and twice. Once you are clear with the question that yes, I have not missed any of the particular detail, then start writing the code. Okay, I will highly recommend you to dry run on the paper before running your code so that you can write an executable code in a straight line. Okay. Now indentation and imports are working. Now most of the people, now if you're one of them, please let your peers know which library is working, which library is not working. But the people who cracked it, people who solved all the questions and their input, they are able to take input, they're able to use libraries. Please correct those people who are in the misconception that the libraries are not working. Because I spoke with multiple candidates. It's maybe on your center there would be some issues, but the people whom I spoke with, they said that everything is working, even though all inbuilt functions are also working. Okay, just you need to maintain the spelling mistakes and the indentation properly. Few people don't know about the spelling somewhere and they mess with the inputs. Okay, so please don't do it. Please be specific because in the compiler no one is there to correct your spellings. Okay, so that's why I mentioned indentation and imports are working. You just need to use it properly. Okay, now horrible shift 2 experience. I already posted the full analysis of this shift, what was the easy question came and how to practice if you are gonna write the upcoming shift. The lead code hard question was asked. Okay, I got the solution, everything is done. By tomorrow the video will be uploaded. Easy question, but what is challenging? Input and comments. Okay, sometimes the logic would be very easy and straightforward, but where you will lag in the input and the comment type of, so that if question is in some different inputs, you won't be able to do it. I will straight away recommend all of you that if you are too confused how to take, what to take, just take the input in string, then parse it as per the need. Okay, just separate as per your task and do you perform your logic. Have patience, you have pen, paper, pen, just use it properly and write your code very, very nicely. Okay, now trick. What is this trick? Now this trick, I got tons of response from the students who cracked the second question in shift 2, which was the hard lead code question. Okay, most of the people are good programmers, they are also not able to solve it. But the people who are pretty smart, Yes, you heard it right. The people who are smart enough, they analyze the question and thought of to use if, elif, or else cases. Okay, and most of the people were able to pass 4 by 7 test cases. Now I know many people who do this task. You just need to recognize what question is asking from you and try some random thing. If your random thing works, you will be able to pass 4 by 7 test cases. Sometime if else case only pass 2 test cases, which is of no use. At least you should pass more than a test cases which is given in the question to explain the concept. Clear? But 4 by 7 is fairly good. It is more than, I would say, half. So yes, 4 by 7 is a right performance that you can give to a question which you are not knowing how to solve it. Okay, so please use this technique in the worst case when you are not able to see, okay, whether to apply what logic or what. Instead of leaving that question, use this technique so that you will be able to solve at least 3 to 4 test cases very easily. Okay, so this is the tips and tricks from my side. Please let me know whatever doubts you have. I provided my mail ID so that you can reach out to me anytime. And yes, we'll meet you with a new video, which is a shift 2 video. Do let me know in the comment section that you are waiting for that video. Like this video, subscribe this channel. Please share with your friends so that your friend can also follow these tips and can ace their upcoming examination. Okay, so we'll meet you soon.